Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang 6th generation year 2015 to year 2023. If you're guys trying to find the fuse for the passenger power seat, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, what you need to check. If you're looking for the fuse for heated seats or ventilated seats, we have a special video about that. Check it out as well. It's always a good idea to test fuses. We'll explain why. Make sure to stay till the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything, guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be, guys, taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So we're going to go ahead, open the hood on that Ford Mustang. This specifically is the 5.0 GT, but even if you have a 2.3 with the EcoBoost engine, it will work as well. So let's go ahead, do that. I'm going to show you guys. I'm talking about the fuse, guys, for the power seat, okay, on the passenger side. Talking about that seat right there, guys, okay, on the passenger side. So which fuse is that? We're going to go ahead, open the hood now, and if you come now, let me show you. If you come, face the car, on the left side of the engine compartment, you have that fuse box. Here you're going to press down like that, pull up, and on the back side, okay, you're going to see the fuse numbers, and the layout here corresponds to what we have specifically here. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So which fuse we need to check? It's a 30 amp fuse, and if you come right here in that little bitty fuse box right here without special fuses, number 13, guys. I'm talking about fuse number 13. This will be the third fuse from top to bottom, okay, right there, third fuse, okay, on the right row as well. So check that fuse. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you need to buy new fuses for a good price, quick shipping, those special fuses as well, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.